to cool off.
Yeah,
Oh,
I was thinking it's really too bad when you think about where the weather is right now, because that weather is just getting hotter and hotter deep in the summer.
It's intense. Now, one place that may be getting a brief cool down is Gadsden. Look at this ominous cloud rolling in over the city. There is a thunderstorm moving through Etowah County right now. Significant weather advisory back towards Blount County. If you look towards the center right of your screen, you can see a little haze there. That's actually rain that's falling off in the distance right there. But this gray sky is going to be filling in over the city. Here's what we're looking at. This extension of rain all the way from center through Gadsden, Reese City, and then through Blount County right now, and a few scattered showers continue across the southern part of Coleman County. This all extended from a thunderstorm that popped up near Weiss Lake just about an hour ago and moved quickly through Albertville and Fort Payne right over Interstate 59. It's now moving through Reese City, Gadsden, Steele. You're up next, and you're going to see some very heavy rain. It's not lasting long. This heat is prompting these thunderstorms. So Blunt Springs, Reeds, Hayden, you're going to get the wet stuff next. Right along I-65 from Reeds to Warrior and to Kimberly. Be on the lookout. Could see some wet spots on the roadway, so just be careful out there. Same with Baldo and Sipsey. You're in for some wet weather here within the next 10 to 15 minutes. In Birmingham, a bit of a different picture. We're seeing sunshine at this hour. Our BJCC tower cam. Temperatures there, 91, feels more like 100 outside. Heat sticking around too, low 90s from Coleman down to Clinton. But I assure you, once that rain moves through Gadsden, those temperatures will drop briefly. But right now, everywhere else, it feels more like 100 plus degrees. Look at Tuscaloosa and Moundville, feels more like 109 and 107 there. These heat index values will stick around for the next few hours. We're seeing those air temperatures staying in the low 80s through 11 o'clock, but it will still feel closer to 90 even nearing midnight tonight. Whew. Not a lot of relief overnight. We'll dip into the 70s before tomorrow morning, before sunrise, but then we're back in the low 100s starting at 1 o'clock tomorrow with those feels like temperatures. So be careful, take breaks as needed, try to stay hydrated as you can, and find a cool place during the heat of the day. All right, looking ahead for tonight, no more rain after around 10 p.m. And then by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, a mix of sun and clouds. Temperatures will start out the day in the low 70s, heating back into the 90s by tomorrow afternoon. I am calling for a few afternoon showers and storms, primarily to our east. Gadsden, Asheville, Talladega, Anniston, right around 3 p.m. you could see some showers and storms, but those should fizzle out by around 7, 8 p.m. By 10 o'clock Sunday morning, it's dry, but it's going to be warm in the mid 80s. But by Sunday night, we are going to see our first signs of that cooler front moving through. We're going to track some isolated showers and storms from Hamilton to Coleman Sunday at around 4 p.m. through 5 and 6 o'clock. That will be sliding southbound, but those rain chances really go up later on Sunday and into Monday, and we will see a break from this heat because of that rain. Here's how it shapes up on our weather map. So the stationary boundary is going to be the culprit for that wet weather. As this cold front moves south, we'll actually be sandwiched in between two cold fronts, interestingly enough, but it's not going to necessarily bring us colder air, just drier air. So 4 a.m. Monday, a lot of that rain in West Alabama. That will continue through midday on Monday, followed by a clearing sky late Monday into early Tuesday morning. And as this cold front moves south, the sky clears, and not only will it cool down temperature-wise, but it will be less humid, and with lower humidities, it will feel much improved. So the sticky, steamy weather that we're still going to have through the weekend does get better. That rain kind of washes out a bit of this heat, and we'll return to those 80s and some drier air with more sunshine by the middle of next week. And that is a look at your storm team.